What's up, everybody? Today we're out in the garage. We've got the 2014 Low Rider here, and today we're putting on the new exhaust, the Sawicki Speed mid-length Dyna pipe. We're going to get it put on, and we're going to show it to you. Not sure how much of this process we're going to video, but first, let's give you a sound clip of what it sounds like with stock pipe on. Let's get a cold start on a stock exhaust so we have something to compare to. We have a stock exhaust 2014 Low Rider. We're going to see what that Sawicki does to wake it up. Progress update. Now we have, flip you around here and let you see, we have removed the old, most stubborn part was the gasket up inside the intake, or up in the head, sorry, stupid comment there. But that gasket was a bear. Got the O2 sensors out, so we didn't put any pressure on those. We'll just feed those back up in and hook them back up in the new one. But yeah, so far, there's the old one. For some reason, I feel that is much heavier than what's in that box right there. Let's just take a peek at what's in that box. All right, folks, here's what it is. You see it. Sawicki Speed. We teased it a little bit on the YouTube. Here it is. There's one polished head pipe. The other polished head pipe. And of course we got the polished collector back here. We are finally getting some snow melt. We might be able to feel a little right. Here comes one of my kids in. Oh, and I'm currently working in her spot, and she is not happy. So here it is, Sawicki Speed. We're going to get this put on. We'll do a sound check. All right, everybody. It looks like we have some success. Behold, the Sawicki Speed mid-length Dyna pipe. And I know you're asking yourself, I wonder what that thing sounds like.